This is a 1972 Triumph T120R. It's a Bonneville. It's a project bike. To be fair, it looks quite complete. There's nothing major missing on it. Needs a complete restoration, I'm sure, but anyway, I've got worse. It turns over from a kickstart. I've rocked it through the gears, the brakes work. For what it's worth, it's got 20,000 miles on the clock. It's matching numbers, frame and engine. It comes with a Nova. It doesn't have a title, but the dating certificate does the same job. And there'll be no problem getting one of them. So if you fancy a Bonneville project, that'll be on eBay if it's available.